So the trade that we just saw there, just wanna just go over the mindset I was thinking of why the idea came. So from the hourly, I'm seeing this uptrend here. So when I went down on the 15, it's looking more prevalent. So we can see it here. Price was going up. So when I did this, I was just trying to find the structure of the higher highs, higher lows. So when I identified it here, I was waiting for it to break, pull back, and test this first part here, this first resistance, but it never gave me any sort of confirmation in here. Price just kept falling down here. So resistance levels were marked up on the 5 minutes. So this is the first resistance. It should have been the second one I was looking at. So when I dropped down, so when I see price falling, I went down to the 1 minute, waiting for some confirmation. So while I was in here, I was waiting, never got the confirmation that I wanted. So price basically crashed through that resistance and went lower. So I was thinking that I was gonna wait for it to come all the way down here, but while on the 5 minute it was forming some rejection here. So when I went back to the 1 minute, price basically formed this section here. So the idea that I was thinking was still looking for structure, but just on a more micro level. So when it formed this big engulfing candle, I was waiting because I wasn't gonna just jump in there. I was like, price could just continue down, so I just wanted it to go up more. So when it started to give these two other candles form some resistance and started to show this, I waited for this to basically, you know, simulate like a break of structure on a higher level. So when it broke this level here, what I did was I waited for price to come back around here. So when price came back around here, I entered at that price and put my stop loss below this swing level by 10 pips. The whole stop loss was 10 pips in total, so it was somewhere down here, but it was 10 pips. And then I basically just rode the movement, because on the higher time frame I already know that I wanted to buy. So basically that's the idea behind this one. I was waiting for it to come back down here, but it basically looks like based off 1, 2, 3, it probably wasn't gonna come back this far. So that's why I was waiting for it to just form up the structure on the smaller level. So when it did that, I saw that as structure, so I went in with the move as a continuation, and yeah, it worked out in our favor today, and price is still like sky, like rallying higher. So we got that move quick. So you already saw the beginning of the trade with the sped up time for the live trade, but I just wanted to give the explainer behind it. So yeah.